mobilizing the heel, the forefoot is fixed and the heel should be able to move. So we'll fix this one by putting two longitudinal strips. And then center here. So the forefoot is stable and the heel is moving. And then to mobilize the forefoot, we fix the heel. And then put this in the center. So the heel is fixed and the forefoot is able to move. And here I see two of these longitudinal. One is kind of slimmer and one is a little thicker. So I feel the difference would be that this will give a little bit more mobility. So you can probably start with the slimmer one and then slowly graduate to this thicker one. So this will be smaller range of motion and the other one was like more range. And then for the balance exercise, just putting two slim ones in the center, and then you just maintain balance by standing. In this exercise, the hind foot is fixed and the forefoot and midfoot is going into inversion and eversion. So you see the foot pronating as the big toe comes down and supinating as the little toe comes down. Great exercise to help improve mobility in the midfoot and forefoot. I can share this. So inverting and everting the right heel while keeping the forefoot and midfoot fixed. Great exercise for somebody with posterior tibial tendon dysfunction. This is single leg balance exercise using the blackboard. Helps with medial lateral stability of the foot. The goal would be to hold for 10 to 15 seconds without losing balance.